My name is Maisha with Plentiful Hair Studio, and on our Instagram, we post a lot of pictures and videos of wigs. And we do that because wigs are the most known and popular form of alternative hair, and it is the most sought after form of alternative hair because a lot of people don't really want to commit to the other types of non-surgical hair replacement, and they want something that they can put on and take off. It's not so much of a commitment, so people really gear towards getting wigs and toppers versus traditional non-surgical hair replacement. So during our consultations, one of the most important questions I like to ask is, do you want to wake up with hair? If you don't, if you want something that you can take off every day, then a wig and a topper is a great solution. And of course, there are wigs that you can adhere down for an extended amount of time as well. But generally, if you want something that you can put on every day and take off every day, a wig and a topper is a great solution for that. But if you want something that has more of a semi-permanent or extended attachment, we have options for that as well. We do traditional non-surgical hair replacement. We do bonded pieces. We do traditional hair systems that are bonded down with an adhesive or a tape onto your crown. Of course, they come in different sizes. They come in every texture. We have textures for every hair type, from silky straight to kinky curly. We have those types as well, and of course they come in different sizes. That is an option, and they have an extended attachment of 4 to 6 weeks. But lately I've been having a few guests who want to have more of a shorter attachment. They want it to be attached for 2 to 3 weeks, but it depends on what you're looking for exactly. But we do offer traditional non-surgical hair replacement bonded pieces. Another form of alternative hair, extended wear attachment, we do long hair bonding. And long hair bonding is near and dear to my heart because I have a lot of consultations with guests who want to have a hair piece. They want it attached, but they do not want to remove their hair. So that's one of the biggest questions I have during consultations, especially when they have advanced hair loss on the crown. Will I have to remove my hair? We have a service where you do not have to remove your hair, and it does have a 4 to 6 week attachment with beautiful human hair, and it can come as long as 18 to 20 inches. So that is a great option that I'm super proud of, and clients love it. We also offer a extended wear topper. Now, the extended wear topper is a beaded topper. It's applied with beads, and it does also offer you the 4 to 6 week attachment without any shaving and without any adhesive. So clients love that as well. A lot of clients, the summertime is coming, and a lot of guests are going on vacation, they're getting on roller coasters, they don't want the hassle. And a new alternative hair where some are really terrified of certain things. Women who are dating are more interested in extended wear attachments. Some people who just don't want to be bothered. So I'm glad that we have several forms of extended wear attachments and daily wear pieces as well. And there are other things that we offer as well. We do men's pieces. We have men's wigs. We do vacuum wigs. There are so many different options for you. So when you come in for your consultation, we look at your area of loss and your hair goal at the end of the day, and then we give you all the options that you can possibly have with your particular scenario. And we decide which is the best option for you, which is best for your lifestyle, which is easiest maintenance for you, what you can maintain, and we go from there. So if you want to have a consultation, please visit www.plentifulhairstudio.com and schedule your consultation today, and let's get your new hair.